Hello beautiful people, so welcome once again to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to attach your claw stones to a transparent corset. So this is the claw stones I'll be using. I'm using the smaller size, so there are different type of shape and sizes. So this is the size I got, and I'm using a thread, but you can use a nylon thread. So I'm going to be using this lining to cover because the thread is going to be showing at the back. So I'm going to be using this other part as a lining. It's also a mesh, so I've already cut out my corset, so I'll attach the back up to it, then I'll use it to cover the back. So this is the nylon thread, but I'm not using the nylon thread, I'm using the normal thread, so you can use that thread. So first thing first, you have to knot. So you knot it and make sure that one side is longer than the other side. So the part that is longer than that is longer will be the place you will knot. So I'm just going to start by fixing the attaching the knots, attaching the claw stones to the mesh. So just watch closely as I do it. It's just going to be straightforward stuff, not that hard to do. So you insert the needle through the holes and then you attach it to any part of the transparent closet you want it to be. So I'm just going to be scattering it around. It's not going to be they're not going to be very close to each other, so they're just going to be scattered around different species. So that's why I'm using my thread. So if they were going to be very close to each other, then I was going to use the nylon thread. So since I'm just going to be attaching it one by one, once I attach one, I'll cut out the thread. So that's why I'm using this thread to do it, but you can also use your nylon thread if you want to. So just watch closely as I attach this to the corset. So after tacking it properly, I'm just going to trim out the excess and make sure that no any thread is showing. So I'll do the same process. So in this part, I just zoomed it very closely to the camera so that you guys will see it up close. So insert your needle, pass it, then attach it to the corset or to the mesh, just like so. So just follow the step that I'm doing. So I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to be doing 5 or 4 of this slowly, so you guys will see how it's done. So I'm just going to keep on tacking. I'll tack like 3 or 4 times, then before tying it, then cut out the excess. So just watch closely as I do that. So I'm still going to repeat the same process, still the same thing. First of all, pass your thread. So after passing the thread, you pass the claw stones. Then after passing the claw stone, I'm going to attach it to the corset. So just the same process. Keep doing the same thing till you cover every part of the corset. So I'm just going to be focusing on the front part. I'm not going to do the side. It's just going to be just the front side. I'm going to attach the claw stones too. So it's just the same thing. Keep repeating the same process all over till I get the desired result that I want. So, and I'll tack it properly. I'll tack it very well to make sure it doesn't fall out or doesn't lose. I'll tack it like 3 times. Then after tacking it 3 times, I'm going to lock it 2 times. So just the same process. If I was using the nylon thread, I'm still going to use the same process. It was the same way of tacking. See the same thing. So still the same thing, just still going to repeat every step till I get these claw stones scattered around the front part of the corset. So you can make yours to be close, depends on how you want to design it. So mine is just going to be scattered around like so. So this process actually took me 5 hours to tack all these claw stones to the front part of this dress. So it took me 5 hours to create. So I'm just going to fast forward it. But yes, I'm fast forwarding it. I'm very sure that you can see how it was done. So just keep on watching. So I got tired of sitting to tack, so I decided to stand to tack the remaining. So that's how I usually switch position. It actually took me 5 good hours to fix this, so I was actually switching between sitting and standing. So I just kept on tacking to the corsets and I was almost done. So after 5 good hours, I was done, and this was how it came out. You can see how it's looking on the dress. Came out looking so beautiful with the angel wings. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and share, and also please subscribe to my channel. For those who are new, please subscribe to this channel, and God bless you as you click the subscribe button. Bye.